Ready to unlock the secrets of how your house goes from for sale to sold faster than you can say closing costs? Let's dive into the marketing magic realtors use. First, it's all about the online presence. Your realtor will create killer listings with eye-catching descriptions on major platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, and more. These sites are the digital storefronts for your property, reaching a massive audience. Next up, staging. Think of it as giving your home a makeover. For the market, realtors offer staging tips like decluttering, depersonalizing, and rearranging furniture to highlight your home's best features and appeal to a broader range of buyers. Time to open the doors. Open houses are still a crucial tool. Your agent will organize and promote open houses, creating a buzz and allowing potential buyers to experience your home firsthand. Pictures speak louder than words, especially online. Professional photography is a must. Realtors hire pros who know how to capture your home in its best light, creating stunning visuals that grab attention and generate interest. Finally, targeted advertising. Realtors use social media and online ads to reach specific demographics who are actively looking for properties like yours. It's about getting your home in front of the right buyers at the right time. So, there you have it, a sneak peek into the marketing strategies that realtors use to sell your home for the best possible price. Now you're in the know.